Hello and welcome to a couple worked out solutions from page 539. Today I'm going to look at just working out numbers 1 and 2 unless you guys have other problems that you want to see worked out. So for number 1, you guys were to find the area of the circles, and we're going to do 1 and 2 because they're slightly different. Now if you recall, the area of a circle is equal to pi r squared. And just for ease of computations, we're going to approximate pi to 3.14 for today's calculations. So for number 1, I have that my area is equal to pi, which we said we were going to use 3.14, and I'm going to multiply that by the radius squared. Well, if you look up here, I am given the radius. Remember, radius is half the distance across. So I'm going to plug in that 12 feet, and then I'm going to square it. So if I simplify this, I have 3.14, and 12 squared, remember, is really like saying 12 feet times 12 feet. Okay, squared means that you multiply the number by itself the number of times that the exponent is right here. So in this case, I have 3.14 times 12, or 3.14 times 144 square feet. Now when I multiply that by 3.14, I got 452.16 square feet. And this right here would be my answer for problem number 1. For problem number 2, okay, it's similar. So I'm still going to use this a equals pi r squared. We're still going to use the 3.14 for pi. So I have a equals pi r squared, and I'm just going to plug in 3.14 for pi. Now here's where it gets tricky. I need to plug in my radius value, but if you notice, this 16 meters is actually the whole distance across. So remember, radius is equal to half of your diameter, or in this case, it's going to be half of 16 meters there. So half of 16 meters, which is going to give me 8 meters. So this is what I'm going to plug in for my r value. So I have 8 meters. I do have to square that. So that's going to give me 3.14 times 8 squared, really means 8 times 8, or 64 meters squared. And when I multiply that by 3.14, I end up with 200.96 square meters. And that's my answer for number 2. Please let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks and have a great day.